So during the second surgery, we always do a WHO checklist, that is make sure that everybody understands each other in the team. Everybody understands that the right equipment is there. Everybody understands the plan. The communication between the surgeon and the scrub nurse and the anesthetist and the implant guy and everything is very clear, and there's no confusion whatsoever. So we are all on the same page. We are not on page A to Z and each one doing their own thing. So I told the matron of the hospital that I needed a burr, and it's very important, if I see any metal in the hip, then I'm going to burr it and things like that. So there's some issues with the burr. Eventually one was got, and then we proceeded with that. So it was a standard approach, going through the poster approach, which is probably the gold standard approach in the world now, particularly for revision surgeries. And then with the release of a little bit of the deep muscles of the gluteus maximus, exposure became a bit easier. And then we went to the cup. We did the in situ neck cut, to expose the stabilum, which is the cup.